If you're wondering how you can add your Google account in your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Additional Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option of Accounts and Sync. Just tap on it, then tap on Add Account. And from here, just tap on Google. Now, if you want to create a Google account, just tap on Create Account. And if you want to log into your existing Google account, just enter your Gmail in this section. After you enter your Gmail, then tap on Next. Then enter the password of your Gmail address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now, if your child will be using this device, just select My child will be using this device. Otherwise, just select I'll be using this device and tap on Next. Tap on I agree. And as you can see, we have successfully added our Google account on our smartphone. And this is how you can add your Google account on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.